NetMeds Honest review: watch before using. NetMed, established in 2015, is an online pharmacy based in India. It offers a platform for customers to purchase prescription and over-the-counter medication, as well as other health-related products with the convenience of home delivery. And here are the key features about this platform. NetMeds provides an intuitive website and mobile application allowing users to easily browse and order medication. And also, the platform offers a wide range varieties of medicines, including both branded and generic options, catering to diverse healthcare needs. And also, customers can upload prescription directly on the platform, facilitating the purchase of prescription-only medications. And also, NetMed frequently provide discounts and promotional offers, making medication more affordable for users. And here are the pros and the cons about this platform. So let's get started with the pros. Users can order medication from the comfort of their home, eliminating the need to visit physical pharmacy. And also, the extensive range of products ensure that users can find most of their medication they required. And also, frequent promotion and discounts make medication more affordable. And here the downside about this platform: some customers have reported longer than expected delivery time, which can be problematic for urgent medication need. There are instances where users have experienced difficulties in reaching customer support or resolving other related problems. And also, the process of verifying prescriptions can sometimes be slow, leading to delay in order processing. And here's the other conclusion: NetMed provides a convenient solution for purchasing medication online, offering a broad product range and attractive discounts. However, potential users should be aware of possible delivery delay and challenges with customer service. For urgent medication need, it may be advisable to consider local pharmacy or alternative online services with fast delivery option. And if you need more customer feedback, you can just simply go to mouthshot.com for more customer feedback about this platform.